The other day, I had the experience to understand the truth behind bread. It caused me kind of to reflect on, like, what is bread? What is its origin? What's its purpose? Like, how do you get the nutrients out of bread? What does the basic grain and flour supposed to taste like? I know that in general, like, when I'm trying to eat healthier and I want to eat, like, higher quality bread, I normally get, like, pan de integral or trigo, in English, like, whole wheat bread, or ones with seeds or nuts or things like this. But I had this really cool experience and opportunity to figure out like what bread is, all the way from the grain, the ground, the soil, all the way into the loaf that you see here, like a baguette, a ciabatta, all these different types of loaves, like from the seed to the end product. And it was a really cool experience to kind of understand what some of our local farmers and bakeries are trying to do. I know that right now we're in a food revolution of where we're trying to take back our seeds and understand where our food comes from, and trying to maximize on nutrients, limit food waste, and try to have a more sustainable future going into food production. And so this past couple of days was really cool to kind of understand the day-to-day on eating bread, because I feel like all of us love bread, or maybe if you have a gluten allergy or something, you have to find other solutions. But even that with rye bread is an option for you. But yeah, let's go. There's always a certain element, a balance between genius and crazy. But with the right ratio, you're able to create something life-changing. If we're to discover the truth about bread, from grain to loaf, I suppose we ought to start off with grain. It starts off with these local farmers who tell this incredible story about how their mill house has been there for generations and has persisted through Spanish resistance over the years and have been able to fight and to be here today. They expressed that they wanted to produce grain rich in protein and nutrients, but also do their part to enrich the land and the soil with proper crop rotation. It's not as common today given modern technology, and so these local farmers right outside the heart of Barcelona play their part to provide an amazing grain and product to local bakeries and restaurants. It's cute. Yeah. Our next stop was to see Jordi Morera, one of the best bread makers in Spain. We got an amazing tour of where all the magic happens. They warned us upon entering to protect our hearts because we will fall in love and want to change our careers to become a bread maker too. But at that point, it was too late.
Alguien pensó, si yo giro el suelo, tengo las palas la mitad de cortas que antes, mucho menos esfuerzo físico.
This was like a future evolution when they found out that they can spin the stone, because before it was a lot of physical effort, because you will have to put the bread up to the back. But someone thought that maybe if you turn the disc or the stone, it's much easier.
Como empieza esto a coger ya una textura distinta, ¿eh? ¿Lo veis o no?
To have a different texture.
Aún se nos rompe, ahora me está diciendo, hey tío, no me trabajes más, dame reposo.
but still acquiring more texture.
Empieza a coger las primeras burbujitas de aire y lo retiene ese aire. Antes hacía la burbuja y se petaba.
You see that it starts to grab the first air bubbles and it retains them. Before they were just popping.
Por lo tanto, significa que un último reposo de 5 minutos y ya podremos...
So just one rest
Tengo el
of 5
plástico ahí.
minutes and it's gonna be ready.
Ya, exacto. Obviamente no está muy limpio, no está muy... Pero, wait.
Watch your feet.
Be careful there, ¿eh? Do not fall.
It's like the movies.
Wait, esto no existía. Hace 30 años, yo era pequeño, muy pequeño, tenía pues 4 o 5 años. No existía. Esto estaba tapado.
This didn't exist 30 years ago when he was a kid. This was just covered.
Mi padre hizo la reforma y le dijo al paleta. ¡Ey!
¿Paleta es?
Paleta, al...
El obrero, ¿no? El constructor.
Sí, el constructor. Dijo, ¡ey! Al albañil, empieza a picar en el suelo. ¿Por qué? Porque mi abuelo, recuerda el de la foto, que de pequeño mi abuelo, años 20 del siglo pasado, había visto de pequeño alguna vez bajar en medio de la panadería un burro, un caballo.
So when they were doing the renovations, his father told the builder that he remembers that his grandfather, the one on the picture, had a vague memory of a donkey going downstairs somewhere in here.
Y así fue, empezaron a picar, empezaron a observar esta pared y sacaron esta habitación. Quien quiera bajar.
They started hammering or picking it, and they found out this.
Did they find the
Oro? I think they did.
Jeez.
They discovered this room with this and with that iron.
¿Y esto qué era? Esto no era una escalera, era una rampa, ¿sí? Por aquí bajaba un burro, empezaba a dar vueltas, movía el mecanismo y toda la maquinaria de panadería se movía con la fuerza del animal.
So this wasn't stairs, this was just like a down, like...
ramp.
Yeah, exactly. And there was a donkey that went down here, and he just spin around, and he's spinning all the time was to make it possible the machines to work.
Por eso os dije que las amasadoras están antes de la electricidad, porque había fuerza animal.
That's why before electricity, they were already needing machines, because the power was given by animals. It was animals' force.
Explotación animal, pero ahora ya no existe. Ahora hay electricidad. Así que podemos subir para arriba.
Let's go up.
Wow, your life is like so rich in history. That's so cool.
Que tu vida es súper rica en historia, que es muy guay.
I can see why you're passionate about bread. It's like impossible not to.
He has a better bread. It's just part of that.
Para ti.
Limón, I have it.
Maybe the truth about bread, about food, is to peel back the layers and to find this original piece of nature, I suppose, and to keep it intact, to stray away from over manipulation and processing, and to have this delicious, incredible product. And not only that, but to share it with people, to share it with everyone, to share the stories that come along with it, because it makes it all that more powerful, the experience of eating with people that you love, and to break bread, if you will, and to just enjoy that moment that you share with them. Maybe that's the truth with food, with bread. But thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe below. I try to post videos every week, but until then, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.